Hi guys, Quark is here with another video, and let's take a break off database first, and I'll be teaching you something fun. I hope so. So today we'll be creating a add emoji command. So basically the application will add the emoji to the server. However, you need what's it called? This called Nitro in order to use the emoji from other server. So let's get it going. Code dot. Today it will be a quick and easy tutorial. So last time we did interesting thing, which is permission handler here, and next would be add emoji. So it would be under utilities, I hope. So let's create add emoji.js, then con discord equal require discord.js, then module dot export name, let's call it add emoji, category would be utility, right? Yes. And usage would be emoji. Wait, actually emoji. Whoops. It was from HTML. And then description, let's say add static and animated emojis to the server, and run client. Whoops, I forget comma here. Client. Oh my god, client message args arrow function here. Okay, so if there's no args dot length, then return message dot channel dot send. Please specify some emojis to add to the server, and it will create a for loop. So for constant emojis of art cons get emoji equal discord dot util here dot parse emoji. You can learn what is util in Discord doc, and right here would be emojis. After that would be if get emoji.id, it means if it can get the emoji, then cons emoji ext, which is emoji extension, would be get emoji dot animated question mark gif dot gif, or else png. So this will get the emoji extension, whether it should be .gif, .gif, or .png. And then cons emoji, let's say nah, we will need another constant. Let's just send the emoji, though it would be message dot guild. Is it dot guild? I hope so. Dot guild dot emojis dot create, and then we need another constant. So emoji URL equal to let's do backticks https://cdn. CDN is content delivery network, so it means the data is saved into one place. You can learn more about CDN in Google Discord app.com/emojis slash parse emojis.id. Actually, get emoji. I was looking at parse emoji here. I'm sorry. Get emoji.id and plus. Whoops, it should be plus inside. Emoji ext. Alright, and this one we will create and then we'll parse in emoji URL and then get emoji name. So then we'll get the emoji name. And then we will send the message that it has been added. So emoji wait. Okay, we can use emoji. Arrow function message.channel.send added emoji.name yeah, to the server. Actually successfully added. Alright, so let's try run the bot. No dot. Alright, so logged in, and let me clean up this first. Dash record. Alright. I'm gonna get my server member here because he has Nitro, as you can see here. So shout out to him. So could you please do backticks dash add emoji and then emoji. So let's wait for a second. Oops. Oh, I'm sorry. I forget to add permission. Permissions. It would be, let's say, what should it be? Send messages. Alright, so clear, no dot. So let's wait for a second. It's to say successfully add emoji to the server. So if we go in here and check server setting and then emoji, it will say added by YouTube tutorial. And then emoji. It can be both animated and static emojis. So as you can see here, it would add a lot of things here. Brainless, how, pogfish. We can make it look more useful here by adding this, and we can instead use like this. So let's see if this works. We can also make an embed too, but I'm just too lazy to make an embed for it. So let's wait for him to get it first. So it will say here, there's the emoji and this one will get the name. So if we put in here and go to server setting, emoji, it would add all the emojis into the server. So So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you got any problem. Feel free to join my server if you got any problem with your code. I will be happy to help. Uh, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.